Good afternoon, everybody. It's the Mobile Home Mama. Jumping into a 16 by a 66. We call this the Ockley home. I've got a special guest with me today. We've got Benjamin with us. That's why I'm the Mobile Home Mama. I am a mama of several children. So Benji's hanging out with us today. Here we go. Coming into the kitchen, we've got lots of cabinetry. Benji took the time to open it all up for us. So we've got this bar that's included in the base price. And this customer has decided to do mixed cabinet colors. So we've got white on the top. We've got a timber wolf on the bottom. Also with a bronzite on the countertop. All right, bronzite on the countertops. We've got a laminate backsplash. You can see up there we did a staggered cabinet look. That's what that is right there with the staggering of the cabinets. We've got, looks like they put the brick pattern on the wall. I like that when we're doing this cabinet color. So I don't know, just get with me when we're designing. The special thing about this home, and we do this in a couple sizes, but in this home, we're gonna have a dining area, which is separate from the kitchen. That's unusual for us here in the single wides. Usually that's all one and the same, like an eat-in kitchen, but in this particular home, it's not. Here's the back door. May get a little dark on us here, but coming in the back door, you've got the laundry area. And this home, remember everybody, this home could be drywalled if you want it to be. Check out my channel. I'm gonna do a couple drywall homes this week, but I just happen to be here on a Sunday and thought I'd pop in this home. We put this home on special and on sale many times throughout the year, so keep a watch on the sale page. Here I'm standing in the primary bedroom. This is the closet. Behind that panel there is the water heater. 30-gallon electric water heater is gonna come standard. All of the appliances actually are gonna come standard. You can upgrade to gas. It could be a furnace, a hot water heater, and a range if you choose for a small fee. Coming into the primary bath, 3 bulb light strips. That's a standard feature. We've got the vanity. And this customer has done towel bar tissue holders. I believe they've probably put a package in this home, which is a great idea because you get lots of features at a discounted price. So if you give me a call, remind me to talk about the packages because it's a great way to save some money. Coming back across the home, let me just get one more shot of this kitchen. I love that this cabinetry here sets off the galley kitchen. Galley kitchen means it's right up against the wall, so I think that's a great feature. Nice open living room here. 2 30 by 61s, there's one, there's the other one. You can see we've got the nice white wrapped profile trim, so a nice molded trim here. Coming down into the very short hallway, we've got the secondary bedrooms. Here's bed 2. We've got Nordic white on the floor, Casper cashmere on the walls. Here's bed 3. And here's the second bath. Again, we're gonna see a 3 bulb light strip up there. Standard tub shower combination, that's a 30 by 60 with the vanity. Towel bar tissue holder, part of that package. Black doorknobs, black hardware, black 3 bulb light strips. So think about that when you're making your color choices. I hope you enjoy this home. We're gonna see some can lights in the kitchen. This, my friends, is a 16 by 66, 1,001 square foot home called the Ockley. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope to speak to you soon. Bye-bye.